It's never easy when a marriage ends, and many times by the time clients walk into our offices, they just want it over. But to move forward, it's important to understand what your options are under Pennsylvania law. Though Pennsylvania still has divorce laws on the books calling for parties to find fault, this option is rarely used. Not only can it get ugly with accusations made from both sides, but it can be very difficult to establish one party's fault before a judge. The most common and usually the best option is a no-fault divorce, where blame is not assigned to either side. The two types of no-fault divorce in Pennsylvania are a mutual consent or a 2-year separation divorce. If a couple can agree on terms, a mutual consent divorce can result in a divorce decree shortly after 90 days from the filing of the divorce complaint. But the catch is that should one person change their mind, this process stops. The other type of no-fault divorce is the 2-year separation divorce. This divorce is used when one party doesn't consent to the divorce. The parties must be living separate and apart for a full 2 years before this divorce can be pursued. Separate and apart doesn't have to necessarily mean living in different places. A couple only needs to show they are living separate lives, maintaining separate finances, and have announced the separation to family and friends. No one should be made to suffer in a bad marriage that cannot be saved. Pennsylvania law, coupled with a good family law attorney, gives every spouse suffering in a bad marriage a chance to begin life anew. To learn more, visit abc27.com/gooddaypa for an in-depth article by a Scaringi and Scaringi divorce attorney. If you are in need of legal help, you can always speak to one of our attorneys by calling 717-657-7770 or visit scaringilaw.com. And remember, in any situation, it's always important to know your rights.